Oh, hey folks. Hey, so we're going to throw the pallet forks on today. I use the little Titan clamp-on type ones. They're really easy to use, very inexpensive as well. And I don't ever really carry heavy things with it. Just the really light stuff around the farm. I'll put a pallet on it, load hay, carry a little bit of lumber. Nothing really heavy. You don't want to really flex the bucket. And it's an inexpensive way to be able to tote stuff around using a pair of forks. So today we're going to load up a 6x6 that I need as part of the ramp that we're redoing for the second donkey stable. Well, we've decided on the second donkey stable that we're going to use it as a hay storage. That way I can get the hay out of the main barn and get the tractor in and the truck. Since we got the donkeys, we've been storing hay inside the barn, and all I've been able to do is get in the tractor. We can't get our truck in as well. We have an awful lot of rainstorms, potential hail here in Tennessee in the early spring, and I want to get that truck in case we do have a hailstorm. So that's kind of the goal of what we're doing here. I want to get the ramp done, getting hay tomorrow, load the hay in there, take the rest of the hay up there as well, and then reorganize here the barn to be able to get the truck and the tractor in. So that's what we're doing today. need to sharpen my saw blade. Guys coming to help? Oh, you're such a big help. You donkeys are such a big help. You are. So, okay, which you probably saw in one of our other videos, I don't know which one, but we had used this ramp temporarily going up into the trailer. So we put it on the shed. It was too steep. So now what I've done is I've extended it. What we did is I just added some 2x6s, and then what I'll do is I'll support the 2x6s where they come together right here, kind of as a header. I'm going to lay the 6x6 underneath, set that on it, level it out, put the boards on, and now we've extended the ramp far enough so it's not too steep to walk up. You can walk up this length now. It's not too bad. It was down all the way to here before, which was pretty steep. The donkeys didn't mind it. We hated it. We almost fell on our butts. So that's what we're going to do today, is slide that 6x6 in there and finish putting on the decking boards, and then I'll bring a load of sand in and fill it up to here, so they'll have a nice transition going up into the new hay storage shed. Okay. You always got to work smarter, not harder. So what we'll do is we'll just prop this little baby up here. Let's see, get it right about here. The temporary board. That way you'll hold it up out of the way for now. I just slid this 4x4 in there temporarily to hold it in place while I was adding on the extra pieces of 2x6. So now what we can do is slide this in place over here. What are you doing, Bart? Or so just like you'd build a house, if you had a center carrying beam, you'd always overlap your 2x material, your 2x8s, 10s, whatever you're building your flooring with. So this is the overlap. That's where you'd always put your carrier beam. So I pretty much did the same thing. Just pretty much put it all here, so all the weight of the transition goes here down to this little 6x6. So it'll be from the top up here to 6x6, and then we'll pack it in down here. So there'll be 3 points that this little ramp will hold on to hold the weight. They're not really heavy. They're kind of crazy, but they're not really heavy. They'll be going up in there. You watch. We keep oats in there for the chickens, and they're constantly coming in. If we've got the door open, and they go. They want some oats. Patty's really good about it. She gives them like a tablespoon of whole oats every once in a while, just as a treat. So we'll finish up putting this together. Because we changed the angle on this, there was a little support cleat that I had put on here that was right at the right angle. So what we need to do is take that off. Because obviously this angle isn't going to be right anymore. So what we'll do is we'll calculate what that angle is with our little angle finder here. So we'll just transfer that onto here so we have the right angle. Okay, and mark this left for the left one. Do the same over here. Hey, what do you know? Exact same angle. Here comes my helpers. What are you doing? You helping Daddy? You are. You helping me? You're a good boy. You are. You're a good boy. Oh, no kisses today. Oh, you're afraid of the hammer drill, huh? You're afraid of the drill, Dad. Nothing's scary. Nothing's scary, Dad. Okay. Now that the cleats are on here, what I need to do, you be there, bud man. Don't be here on my list. You guys are shedding. So the only thing I need to do now is I've got some lag bolts that go in here. I'm going to have to raise this header across to also touch up into here because that was supporting it as well on the 1, 2, 3 carriers that are on the inside. So we'll raise this here by taking the bolts out, realigning it, and bolting it back in. Gotta put all my tools away so that somebody doesn't cart off with them, like you. Like you. How about I go get you some hay? I think that's a great idea. Then maybe you'll let Daddy finish working. What do you think? Huh? Would you like some more hay? Would you like some more hay? You would? You want some more hay too? You would? Because Daddy, go get you some more hay. We got your hay. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on up. You can do it. There, girl. There you go. The ramp has been tested. Here you go, sweetheart. Here, Bart. Come here, Sadie. You go, Bart. Here, Sadie. Right here. Say, okay, let's go. Everybody down. Let's go. Come on. Go ahead. Keep going. Everybody down. Go on. Go ahead. There you go. Okay, folks. That's it for today. The ramp's all done. It's been donkey tested and approved. So we're in good shape. Another little project done here on the farm using the John Deere. What a backsaver this baby's been. I tell you, just lifting the wood, bringing up the sand, carrying back the tools now. So another great day. Got a lot done. And of course, I had some really good helpers here. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe to the channel. Please give this video a thumbs up if you could, and share some of these videos with your friends. Come back and see us again. God bless until the next time we see you. Here we go, Bart. Gonna knock over the camera. Don't knock over the camera. Come on, get down. Go ahead. Get going. Go, go, go. Go on. Get going. Go, go, go.